As a voice feminization instructor, one of the biggest insecurities and obstacles I see with my clients is finding and maintaining a pitch within the range that is considered feminine. And the first thing I say to them is, don't worry about it. There's a whole lot more to voice feminization than just pitch. Many cisgender women have lower pitched voices, but they still sound like women when they speak. Why? Because cisgender women generate their vocal sound up here instead of down here. Imagine a violin and a cello. Cellos are able to produce many of the same pitches as violins, but they don't sound the same, do they? Why? Resonance. Cellos have big, deep, resonant chambers and thick strings, while violins have quite small resonant chambers and the strings are very thin. The good news is, unlike a cello, with just a series of simple exercises, we have the ability to shift our vocal resonance from the chest and throat area up here to the face, where cisgender women produce their vocal sound. Consider the following phrases, which I will speak in the same pitch, but with different resonant qualities. The rain in Spain falls mainly on the plain. The rain in Spain falls mainly on the plain. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. See a penny, pick it up, and all the day you'll have good luck. See a penny, pick it up, and all the day you'll have good luck. So, how do we achieve this feminine resonance? There are many ways, but here is one of the easiest. Start by making the cheesiest, toothiest smile you possibly can. Then say, "ee." Make it bright and nasally. The big smile activates and utilizes the same facial muscles that we're using to shift our resonance. Then, from that bright nasally E, we can add other sounds, like the R sound. Ear. And then you can start putting words and phrases on there. Ear, 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 early in the morning. Ear, early in the morning. Ear, rock and roll is here to stay. Ear, rock and roll is here to stay. I hope you've enjoyed this brief tutorial. I'm Christy, and as always, I was delighted to help you